monsoon session of Parliament will begin on July 20th and continue till August 13th, with both the government and the opposition preparing for a heated session. Ahead of the session, opposition parties demanded discussions on several key issues, including the alleged theft of donations at the Ram Temple in Ayodhya, student protest, ethanol blending, the situation in Manipur, and activist Sonam Wangchuk's ongoing hunger strike. Congress leader Gaurav Gogoi said these issues deserved priority over the government's legislative agenda. He alleged that the centre could not avoid accountability over the reported Ram Temple donation controversy. Samajwadi Party MP Dharmendra Yadav also sought a debate on the Ayodhya donation case and Wangchuk's protest. He said his party would oppose any delimitation exercise that it believes could undermine democratic representation. Meanwhile, DMK leader Tiruchi Siva retaliated support for the Women's Reservation Bill but urged the centre to clearly spell out how the proposed 33% quota would be implemented. He also said the delimitation exercise should not disadvantage southern states. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh rejected reports claiming the party had backed the proposed delimitation bill during the all-party meeting, calling such reports false. CPIM MP John Prittas said major legislations, including the delimitation bill, One Nation, One Election proposal, and FCRA-related amendments, should be taken up only after wider consultations with opposition parties.